My name is Rahul and I'm currently pursuing my degree in mechanical engineering at the Pennsylvania State University in the United States. And over the past month, I've had the privilege of interning here at GTTC Mysuru, specifically focusing on CNC lathe and milling operations. My experience here at GTTC Mysuru has been absolutely enriching. I was able to gain in-depth knowledge about G codes and M codes using the Cinematic software by Siemens, while also getting hands-on experience on the state-of-the-art CNC machinery. But what stood out to me the most was the instructors, how incredibly patient they were, and they made sure we understood all the concepts before moving on. Interestingly, the first time I got to know about GTTC was 2 years ago. I was working on a personal project of mine and I wanted to have a few parts machined. That's when I met Srinivas sir, where he told me about the amazing opportunities and internships and trainings that they offer here at GTTC. And 2 years later, I am pursuing the very opportunities that he told me about.
So in Center of Excellence, we have around 14 labs, mainly into mechanical, electronics, electrical, renewable energy and robotics. Here we train candidates from different colleges as well as any public and also even industry personnel. So here we not only do the training, we also do produce components for ISRO, ADA, defense industries. This will be very much useful for you when you go back to your
Yes, sir. And I would recommend this GTTC Mysuru to anyone who's looking to gain practical exposure, not just about CNC machinery, but the other, like a myriad of other courses they also offer. So I would recommend that to anyone who's looking to gain practical exposure.
I appreciate our staff. They put a lot of effort in training you.